our country. Now my friend Mahesh is going to say pledge.
Stretch your arms forward.
Pledge. Mahesh comments to pledge. Pledge. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of history and heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, my pledge, my devotion. India will be and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Start our day with positive vibes and peaceful things. Now my friend Janardhan is going to say thought.
Thought. Anyone who has never tried a mistake has never has anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. Message. ఎప్పుడు తప్పు చేసిన వారు కొత్తగా ఏమీ ప్రయత్నం చేయలేరు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
We should know what is happening around us. Now my friend Tanish is going to say news.
A pleasant morning to everyone. Today's news is brought to you by N. Tanish of Grade 6 Jasper. News. International news. Trump's victory and the path ahead for the US. National news. India deserves to be in list of global superpowers. Russia's Putin. State news. Thousands of devotees perform Satyanarayana Vratam at Annavaram temple. Sports news. Ronaldo set to leave Al-Nassr and possible to return Europe ruled out. Local news. A bus fire accident occurred near Beachpally in which 34 passengers travelled and 10 were injured. Thank you.
Thank you, Hasini. Now, last I am going to say about save water. Water is very important. Don't waste water. Don't build factories near water bodies. It is harmful for us and also water animals. Don't pollute water. Water is very important. We don't know value of water. We are using it in many ways, like washing clothes, utensils, and many ways. We can store rainwater and save water. Thank you, Tanish. We are seeing nature daily, but it is unclean. Now my friend Jasper is going to say about environment and how to clean environment.
Happy morning everyone, myself Jasper. Today I am going to talk about environment and how to protect environment. Earth is only the home for us to live and it is up to us to take care of it for future generation. Environment is facing many challenges from air and water pollution to deforestation and loss of biodiversity. Now I am going to tell some points to protect environment. We should not throw dust wherever we want. We should put the dust into dustbins. We should not throw any dust materials or chemicals into water. We should plant more trees and we should keep our surroundings neat and clean. Thank you.